Today, we're featuring the best electric fat bikes and looking at the top options available on the market. Whether you're looking for power, convenience, or durability, these top 5 electric fat bikes have something for everyone. And for your convenience, all products mentioned in this video are linked down in the description. And with that in mind, let's get started. Number 1 on my list is the EBIKELING waterproof e-bike conversion kit priced at $399. This kit allows you to transform your regular bike into a powerful electric bike with ease. It comes with a 1200 watt motor and includes essential components such as the wheel hub motor, controller, display, throttle, and brake levers. The LCD display is a standout feature, showing important information like battery percentage, speed, and trip distance. This feature enhances your riding experience by keeping you informed at all times. Although the kit does not include a battery or tire, it offers a cost-effective solution for those looking to upgrade their existing bike. Users have praised its powerful motor and easy installation process. Some noted the need for spacers and a large controller, but overall, the feedback has been very positive. The pedal assistance sensor allows you to ride without using the throttle, making it versatile for different riding preferences. The 1-year warranty on hub motors and batteries provides peace of mind, and the technical support ensures you have help when needed. Overall, this kit is highly recommended for its performance and value. Second, we have the Heybike Brawn electric bike priced at $1,499. This bike features a 750 watt motor and a 48 volt 18 ampere hour removable battery, giving you a range of 45 to 68 miles per charge. Its hydraulic suspension fork and dual disc brakes ensure a smooth and safe ride even on rough terrain. The automatic seat adjustment is a unique feature that allows you to adjust the seat height during your ride without any hassle. The intelligent Heybike app control adds another layer of convenience, letting you control various functions remotely. Assembly is straightforward, and the bike is well packaged to avoid damage during shipping. Users have praised the bike for its impressive speed, sturdy build quality, and ease of use. However, some experience delays in customer service and missing components like racks and fenders. Despite these issues, the Heybike Brawn remains a top contender for its powerful performance and innovative design. The backlit LCD display clearly shows speed, power, and mileage, enhancing the overall riding experience. Its retro light sensing headlight not only looks cool, but also improves visibility. This bike is a great option for those seeking a robust and stylish electric bike. Third on the list is the MULTIJOY electric bike priced at $1,256. This stands out with its upgraded 48 volt 20 ampere hour battery and 1000 watt motor. This bike offers an impressive range of up to 70 miles. It's designed for taller riders and features 26 by 4 inch fat tires that are perfect for all terrains including snow and sand. The double suspension system and multiple riding modes ensure a smooth and versatile riding experience. The bike is 85% pre-assembled, making it relatively easy to put together. While the customer service received mixed reviews, users appreciated sturdy construction and smooth performance. Some users mentioned that the battery life didn't last as long as described, but overall, the bike is seen as a solid investment. It's particularly praised for its power and speed, making it suitable for both daily commutes and off-road adventures. The bike comes with a 6-month warranty for the battery and a 1-year replacement for other accessories, adding to its appeal. It is recommended for riders between 5 feet 4 inches and 6 feet 9 inches, ensuring a comfortable fit for most adults. This bike is a great option for those seeking a reliable and long-range electric bike. Next is the ENGWE X24 electric bike, a folding option priced at $1,349. This bike features dual batteries that provide up to 100 miles of range and a 1200 watt motor, making it ideal for long rides and various terrains. The triple suspension system and 24 by 4 inch fat tires ensure a comfortable ride on mountains, sand, and snow. The bike's folding design makes it convenient for storage and transport, perfect for city dwellers with limited space. Users love its dual batteries and powerful shock absorption, which makes it stand out from other models. The bike is also equipped with a peak 1200 watt motor, providing strong power and excellent hill climbing stability. Its folding size is compact, making it easy to carry and store. The one-step folding mechanism is user-friendly, adding to the bike's convenience. The bike also comes with a 1-year warranty for the motor, batteries, and controllers, offering peace of mind. This bike is a standout choice for those seeking convenience and performance in one package. Finally, the OKAI Ranger electric bike offers versatility and power, starting at $1,499. Its 1,000 watt motor and 26 by 4 inch fat tires make it suitable for both pavement and dirt trails. The bike features a long-lasting Samsung battery, integrated LCD touchscreen, and a hydraulic suspension fork for a smooth ride. The replaceable battery design and IP67 resistance add to its durability, making it a reliable choice for various weather conditions. Users have praised its high-quality parts, modern design, and overall performance. Some experienced issues with customer service and minor build problems, but many found the bike to be a great investment. The bike's frame is crafted from high-quality, aerospace-grade aluminum, ensuring durability and performance. Its 8-speed drivetrain provides flexibility for different riding conditions. The bike is equipped with bright headlights and reflective elements, enhancing safety during rides. This electric bike is an excellent choice for those seeking a stylish and capable bike for both commuting and leisure. So, in summary, these top 5 electric fat bikes each offer unique features and benefits to cater to different needs and preferences. Whether you're looking for an easy conversion kit, a powerful all-terrain bike, or a convenient folding option, there's a perfect electric fat bike for you. And don't forget that all products mentioned in this video are linked down in the description. Hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.